Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how camera Pro mode looks on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Okay, so all we have to do is just to go to the More modes, click on the Pro mode or the Pro video mode if you want to adjust options while recording the video. And first of all, we can find the white balance. So that's the simple adjustment of the white balance and also the automatic button. And next we can find the exposure compensation. And right here we can find the ISO level. When you click on this information icon, you can just find this information about all these modes. So quick description if you don't know what is going on right here. On the right side we can switch the matrix metering. As you can see, it's the spot metering. Here we can enable the shutter delay. We can also turn on the flashlight. Take a look. With the flashlight you will actually get a better quality of your photos. We can actually find a lot of pieces of the dust and all their mess on this flower, but when I'm gonna turn it off and take the photo like that, there will be definitely less details. Just take a look right here on the photo without the flashlight and the photo with the flashlight. It's big massive difference between the details on each photo. So yeah, that's all for the camera Pro mode on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Hope you like it.